Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Assistant Public Prosecutor Lani Umuktiar Bami Kmat Yagi Pulit Tushar Chanda Habagren berkilat patai kubor mendakasi ke sauteri unaitung arajar apusan ulai thu bahadian bela tokit ya Sonam Raghuvanshi badi uraj Kushwaha ha UVC kaying bishar kala ai por biang sakhat sausni hadien bau investigation officer ulapan por biang la bishare kini ki arngut da ka bapin iru da ka video ha ka ba kini ki arngut kim shimla kren ai kumta la bu biang sakhat saw sngi ha ka judicial custody ulo ong ba ha ka kai phot balapha kadan ha ka jingtho bo investigation officer ulala banpan nakakot banpha biang yaki shaka police custody ban toket biang yaki daki pulit
Rajbang Sonam and that Raj. So they were their production was taken place through VC. IOS prayed for 14 days judicial custody. So court, after hearing the parties, again remanded them for 14 days judicial custody.
So the police don't want them in the.
You see, in the forwarding report, there is a prayer for. There is not a prayer. There is a paragraph mentioned that IO may ask for police custody. Okay, so for the interest of investigation, IO may file a formal petition before the Honorable Court if he requires further police custody for the accused. Then we will see to it.
Okay, in the video
Conferencing, they were produced. They were brought in the camera. So magistrate asked their well-beings, everything. They are all fine. Then magistrate asked whether they want to say anything. They said no, we don't want to say anything. So after hearing that forwarding report given by the IO, the legal aid also there. So after hearing, they were remanded as usual as per the procedure for 14 days further judicial custody.